prepared. This is the hall behind me. See checkpoints. Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm at the EAGX conference happening in Abuja. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but we're having lunch and today is our first session. After having lunch, we're going to have our first session. I'm really interested because it's going to be my very first EAGX event, so I'm hoping to learn more and hopefully be like an ambassador of what we're doing here. I'm also a volunteer. It's a 3-day event, so this is the first day. I'll let you guys know how it goes and the people I meet, my speaker, and also my key takeaways for the day. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. I'm willing to send like resources on EA and what's about. Alright guys, later. Right, white, just white. It's okay. One more. Can I have two?
And what?
Yes. A little of couscous. Thank you, and salad. Something I did not mention was that at EAGX, the food that we are being served is actually vegan, so we don't have protein in the sense of animal protein that we're used to in Nigeria, and I would say that the food was really good. As you can see, my plate is empty. What's left to the fruit? I thought that the food is going to be bad because like it doesn't have like protein in the sense of it, but we had like what we call tofu, that's awara, and then we had like different sorts of protein, and there was a lot of veggies. One thing I really enjoyed was the salad dressing. I think it was really great. So I think this is also like something for me to know that okay, yes, vegan food is not bad. I think this may be the idea that we have that maybe vegan food will be bad, but this really tasted really great. As you can see, I'm done with my food, and he's almost done with his food. So everybody's almost done with their food. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Like events like if you don't document it at all, just like we said, you may not have the influence. So most of the opportunities come will be like, who is the person that is posting about this thing? With you though. I don't know if you've heard of Vikatibu. Temi, Nema Temi. So there are people like in the impact space because they are very visible. More opportunities will come their way, even when they go outside.
I couldn't digest a lot of this. The most prominent thought was, how do I even navigate this? Where do I fit into this thing? And here's a really accurate representation of how
For most of the cases is outcome, then lastly impact. So let us discuss about input are day-to-day tasks or activities that an individual or organization undertake.
Alright guys, so I had to quickly leave the event because I have some something. But after work, I'm going back very early tomorrow morning around 7ish, so I can pick up my because as you know, I'm the volunteer for the event. So hopefully when I get back home, I'll just do a sit-down video of what the event's about, what we hope to learn and our expectations, and then I'll have it in So yesterday we closed very late around 4 a.m. and when I'm done tomorrow morning, I'll be back 7 a.m. and I'll be able to take a tour of the entire NAF conference center and answer your questions. Alright, bye. Hello, I'm good. So this is and I am Mirya and you're here for the AGX conference. So, hi guys, good morning. Today is day 2, and it's also here I'm going to be supporting my speaker. His topic is something I'm really passionate about, and he's talking about social change and also looking at the effects of family empowerment media, which he is the co-founder of. So what family empowerment media does is that they use radio and broadcasting to reach a lot of young people, especially in Kano, in their localized language with local actors, and to teach basically about contraceptives and how it can help. We had like a really great discussion yesterday where we spoke about just the long-term effect of the access to contraception for young people, and how at the longer run it can really lead to like more or less a growth in GDP. Yeah, we went all the way to GDP basically because we spoke about how that young girls giving birth early would mean that they are not able to go to school, would mean that they are unable to earn as much as they should, and in the long run, because of more people are out of school and out of jobs, it then means that the GDP of the state or of the economy is going to go down. That's what we talked about yesterday, and today he's just going to talk about social and behavioral change. I'm really excited to hear what he has to talk about, and also the listeners also, they have a lot of questions. I'm unable to do the tour of the NAF center, but if you have the time, you can do the tour by yourself. Yeah, I'm about to meet someone that I've been speaking with before I came here today, and when we have the conversation, I'll pick up the phone and then let you guys know. By the way, I came by 8:30, which means I'm late. So let me have this conversation and I have to go back to work. Can I have the same thing? Thank you. That's my speaker over there. Okay guys, my speaker session is going to happen by 2:30, and I think I'm prepared. I'm taking like a very quick like refresher of what's going to happen, what the talk is going to be about. This is the hall behind me. So we're maxed out. I think we're at 2/3 of the capacity. I'm a bit nervous, but I think I can get this done. I'll let you guys know how it goes. And if you have any questions on EAGX, let me know and I'll answer those questions. Yeah.
Today, I would like to welcome to the session titled Social and Behavioral Change, Rigorous Evaluation and Local Partnership, the case of family empowerment media. For those who don't know, family empowerment media, they have recorded 25,000 new contraceptive users. They also recorded 20 million radio listeners and also 6 times cost effectiveness. Please give them a round of applause. And so this session will explore a new focus on FPM and how one organization, which is Family Empowerment Media, is applying SDC principles through radio to reduce maternal mortality in Nigeria. The lessons extend indeed beyond family planning and beyond radio. Our speaker today is Kenneth Shepherd. Ken is the co-founder and managing director of Family Empowerment Media, the non-profit that is dedicated to enabling informed family decisions His work blends rigorous evidence with practical execution, and he has led initiatives across more than a dozen countries. Join me to give a standing ovation.
Thanks. I would respond like a really highly analytical answer. I may refer to this frame right here: accordance, neglectedness, and tractability. And I do think that working on family planning in West Africa scores very highly on all three criteria. And that's a major reason why I do work in the area.
Second day, like I said, we're really consistent with the theme of having vegan only foods. This seems like it's coconut rice, this is pea, this is stew, and this is, I think, Caesar salad and fruits. Something that I'm not used to. And it's surprising because I would always want to choose meat protein, but there's like so many options to choose from. So I think it's not the lack of protein as it were, or more or less like the lack of options that taste in food. So I'll give this food aesthetically 8 over 10, and I'll let you guys know what I think when I'm done eating.
How we planning this?
I think the pea tastes like moi that you can make into round balls. Final day, and we're going to be having lots of workshops. So we're going to be having lots and lots of workshops. It's going to be a pretty busy day, and it's also going to be busy days for the volunteers because then we're going to do pack up, tear down, and all the things we need to do. So I have to grab this lunch even though I'm late. And I'm having coconut rice, white rice, pasta salad, and this is garlic egg sauce and spicy tomato sauce. Basically, at the end of the day, I'll give like a rough rundown of like how it means to be a volunteer at EAGX, things you should expect, things you just pack up, right? The good thing is that there's always a water spot, so there's always a water cooler moment, and basically, yeah. So I need to quickly have this lunch and then head back to the main hall where we're having our event. I'll let you know if there's any major change or updates. Aside that, yeah. Alright, let me get into this.
How many of us have ever received a mail that starts with "Thank you so much for appearing for this thing"? So you know the next paragraph will be what? The next paragraph will be what? Okay. So it's gonna be a very nice interaction with one of the people that sent those kind of news, right? I'm delighted to introduce our speaker for this section, Abubakar Waziri. Abubakar serves as the admin and HR officer at Taimaka, a non-profit committed to treating and tips for nutrition in northern Nigeria.
Hi, Samdi. We met last year during yeah. And since then I've been stressing you and stressing you.
Yeah.
See our height difference. Say hi. I'm sorry. So I met Daniel actually but and he was the sweetest. He was stressed, but he was so sweet. I carried on me. So I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. Is that all you said? YouTube. And then yes, we are LMI 2022 fellows, and we met again in this event. It's been great connecting with him. I will blow you.
LMI reconnect.
Yes, and there's so many stories he has shared, and we're going to catch up after this. So we're just going to have him on camera and say hi to my fans and followers.
And here about medication by real
for those managing multiple medications. Because you have parents that have that diabetic, hypertensive, maybe you have ulcer, asthma. So you just go there and you input your medications, your condition, and more questions that you ask. And then you get tailored, personalized analysis from AI, ranging from like the expected symptoms, the ones that are critical, and the ones that need monitoring. And then, we're also working on like our mobile application. It's on with better integration, better things.
Awesome. Is your solution affordable?
It's free. No, it's free.
Okay, so guys, it's free. Check it out before.
So it's not Nigerian standards.
I can tell. Oh, and this is my colonial sister. I can bet she's listening to the message. Am I lying? Yes, she's listening to the message.
We are live already. I'm following to understand that I should not move.
Large. Give me medium too.
I'm going to Lagos.
You're going to Lagos? Peace soup. I think so. She will find me. Why give me extra large? I said large. I was telling you, you're not looking at me.
This is a happy volunteer. Everybody.
Barbara, Nigeria after practice.
Sit down.
Are we showing? Why did you announce that? Okay, everyone. Am I showing? Yeah.
It's clear.
I'm actually doing video. What will be a slogan now? Slogan. Should we smile or frown? Please frown. You're to frown. I thought you guys have seen me. All right. One. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. So far, I don't know. Somebody should go behind. Stop. Somebody. I don't know anybody. Just from you. Highly esteemed. Yes. Take out the chair.
Boss, well, let me.
One. Yeah. See you. Bye, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. Let's be out.
So the event is finished, and I'm making the video to say, in the next EAGX, I'll be standing on that EA stage as a speaker. Mark my words. So I'm putting it out there to the universe, to destiny, to everything, that I'm going to come back here as a speaker. Not here, basically, any part of the country that at the world, and be a speaker. Bye, guys.
Good morning.